In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Brave browser in PC. Keeping your Brave browser updated is very important because new updates often include security improvements, bug fixes, better performance, and new features that help your browsing experience run more smoothly. The good news is that updating Brave on your computer is quick, simple, and only takes a few moments to complete. To get started, open the Brave browser on your PC. Once the browser launches, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on the menu icon. After opening the menu, scroll down and select the Settings option to access your browser preferences and system information. When the Settings page opens, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. Scroll all the way down until you find the section labeled About Brave. Click on it, and Brave will immediately begin checking for available updates automatically. This process usually only takes a few seconds depending on your internet connection speed. If a newer version of the browser is available, Brave will automatically start retrieving and applying the update for you. You do not need to manually search for files or transfer anything separately. Once the update process finishes, you may be asked to relaunch the browser so the changes can fully take effect. Restarting the browser ensures that all the latest improvements and fixes are properly applied. On the same page, you will also be able to see the current version number of Brave that is installed on your computer. This is useful if you want to compare your version with the newest release available from Brave. By checking the version information, you can quickly confirm whether your browser is fully updated or if an update is still pending. It's a good habit to check for browser updates regularly, especially if you rely on Brave for everyday browsing, online work, streaming, or managing important accounts. Running the latest version helps improve stability, keeps your data safer, and gives you access to the newest browser features as soon as they are released. And that's all you need to do to manually update your Brave browser on a PC. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.